Hello everyone. Today I'm going to prepare aloo paratha. And for aloo paratha, so I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour and a little bit of salt and oil and add just a little bit of water. So it's pretty similar to the way we prepare for chapati. Okay, so I have 2 cups of wheat flour and I'm adding just 2 spoons of salt and 2 spoons of oil and water as required, and start preparing the dough. Okay, so once you finish preparing the dough, we can leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes so that our chapati will come real soft. Okay, so this is going to take a while for me, so I'll pause the video until I finish this. So once I finish preparing the dough, I'll keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the dough is ready now. I'm going to prepare the stuffing now. So for stuffing, so I took 2 potatoes and I have already boiled it in pressure cooker for 3 whistles with a little bit of salt. I have boiled, and also I've peeled off the skin. I've mashed it very well. So this is our potato, and along with potato we also need garlic, curry leaves, cilantro, little bit of lime, green chili, ginger garlic, turmeric, garam masala and red chili powder, and a little bit of salt I have with me. Okay, so I'll start one by one. Let me turn on the gas stove and I'll just, now the pan is hot, add oil as required. I'll add 3 spoons of oil. Start adding, first I'll add curry leaves, then ginger garlic, just fry it a little bit, and then also add green chili, fry it for a while. And then we can add our onions. And keep frying until the onions turns little brown in color. So the onions are fried well now. The color has started turning little brown. Okay, it's time to add the turmeric. Okay, just saute a little bit. And we can add our mashed potato now. And stir it properly. Make sure onion and potato getting mixed well. And we cannot add water into this mixture, so make sure we are not adding any water now at this stage. Okay, and now we can add the garam masala and chili powder. And again, mix them properly. Maybe just fry this mixture for another 2 minutes. Now to this mixture I'm just adding a little bit of salt. Make sure you're not adding too much, because while boiling potato I have added enough salt. So now I'm just adding a little bit of salt to this mixture and keep stirring it. Make sure the chili powder and the garam masala is spread well. And now we can add cilantro. Then just again mix it a little bit. Just make sure it gets mixed well with the potatoes. Okay. Okay, and then squeeze the lime. Okay, and then just mix it a little bit. And I think our stuffing is almost done. So I'll turn off my gas now. The stuffing is ready, and the dough, it's been 20 minutes now, so the dough is also ready. So now the next thing is to roll it, stuff them, and aloo paratha will be ready. Now it's time to prepare our parathas. So I've taken a small piece of dough, small ball shaped, and let's press it. I'm applying some powder and press it properly. Just okay. And then don't roll them completely. I made a small roll. Now add our stuffing in the right at the center, and now close it properly. Okay, just close it, tie a knot at the center and press it properly and softly. Make sure you're not squeezing it. Our stuffing should not come out. Then apply a little bit of powder and roll it soft and gently. Make sure you're not squeezing, and the stuffing should not come out. So press gently. Okay. Okay, so far it's coming good. The stuffing didn't come out yet. And try to make it as thin as possible without letting the stuffing come out. If required, you can apply some more powder. Okay. Well, success. Stuffing didn't come out. Okay, so I'll keep this aside. Now let me show you how to prepare the paratha. Okay, so I have got like 3 parathas here. I'll keep this thing aside. Take the tawa, turn on the gas. Okay, just wait until it is a little warm. was hot. Apply a little bit of oil. And then it's time to add our paratha. Okay, instead of oil you can also use butter. Now I'm using oil. Just while you flip them, just make sure you flip it very carefully. Cool. Okay, it's getting fluffy. Very good. Wow. Okay. So I think it's time to take out of the pan. I think it's done. Yeah, we can take this out. So I'll continue with rest of my aloo parathas. So this is how our aloo paratha looks now. Ready to be served. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.